Hey guys, have you ever had a moment where you tried to give off a message and it sounded like you spent some time just blowing air up people's ass and saying a whole lot of nothing? Yeah, well, that was the original intro to this video, and I didn't like it. So without further ado, man, we're gonna hop in this thrift store. I just wanna say that this is one of the craziest trip to the thrift videos I've ever shot in my life. So brace yourself, strap in, strap on, and get ready. It's going down. Let's go. Oh my God, guys, look at this. I see all this money through my Ohio State Buckeyes.
I see all this money through my Ohio State Buckeyes.
Bro, they have this in like the militarized kind of stencil-esque font, the all silver embroidery, the silver jewelry, logo what? Kanye, hit him with it. 7! Bro, but what's really cool about this piece is that giant patch on the back. These down jackets, man, I can never get over them. They're just so sick. Yes, and it has just a little bit of mucus on it. Perfect. Wow, man. They really did Woody dirty with the cankles. Come on, bruh. Tripping. Oh, man, dude. The color of a potato, man. They got the fire-resistant Carhartt. How is that possible when this thing is fire in and of itself? But the price, though. Oh.
I wish I might.
Bro, personal foul.
Personal foul, tripping.
Oh, yeehaw, daddy, look what I found, man. That Winchester.
You're watching Shooting USA, America's #1 source for firearms news and information.
I need to drag that old gun out and see if it'll shoot, and by golly, it does.
Look at this Winchester hunting jacket right here, man. Hella pockets for ammunition. You guys know, man, the end times are imminent. Nah, but seriously, man, I don't know if I can support this. They got duck camo, but that goes against the code of ethics for DHU, Duckhead University. And as you guys know, man, Duckhead is the best head. Bruh, am I tripping? Tripping. Oh man, bro, the brand with the star. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look at this. $6.56. You have the Ohio State Buckeyes starter pullover as well. So we have a light little rendition to wear in case, you know, it's just a little cool, a little breezy. And then you have the heavy duty jacket as well. Man, this thing is crispy. Oh my Lord, guys, look at this. I love gold. Bro, did I just rob Green Dots? Look at the aquaberry embroidery on this full satin piece of Biloxi, Mississippi sexiness, man. We got 2 more slight finds for ironic wear only, the Dare Tee, and then you have the king of the jungle in the form of the Missouri Tigers Team Nike jersey. I love Team Nike stuff, man. It's just so crispy. It's like $3.
I'll drill y'all.
Bro, we got another one. This is way overcharged, $13. Tripping. But I need this because, as I told y'all, man, I got a new car. And let's just say this may or may not match it. Bruh, come on, man. Okay, they got me with this one. The thrift caught me lacking with this one. All right, guys, we get a little bit weird and dynamic in terms of color scheme. I found a couple of knit sweaters. This one goes hard, and the main reason is because you guys know, man, my first name is included on that tag. And then you also have this Ivy Club 90 sweater, brand new with tags. Look at the original price at Venture Store. Oh, $15. Bro, I just love that color blocking. So I gotta nab it, dude. Y'all know what time it is. Car's looking lovely. All right, guys, that's what's up, man. Look at this, man. 2 big old bags. First stop of the day. And that is a pretty cool van. I wonder if they're sleeping in there. They got their blinds down and everything, brothers. It's not as cool as this one though, daddy. You dig what I'm saying? All right, guys, so the first store is definitely a success. Shout out to homie Raul. He was in the store. But yeah, let's proceed to yet another one. All right, guys, we made it to the next spot. Oh, sorry about that. We made it to the next spot, which is a Value Village. Let's pillage the village, bro. Dude, off rip. Look at this Syracuse color scheme. Tommy Fahoo Yamami. Old school with the flag on the interior. Bro, $3. Wow. Guys, look at this masterpiece. Someone handcrafted this lace, and I don't even know what these are. Like little bow tie fragments into a heart on the Hanes Herway vintage crew neck. Now I have to grab this for one, the level of artisanship that was incorporated, and 2, the price is $4.20, bro. Blaze up.
Smoke weed
Alright guys, we're in the sneaker section and check this out, man. Not only do they have something that will help a broken ankle / foot, they also have moon boots in abundance. But what I really came here for were these. Oh my God. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. They got the Air Max 98s and that big hammer schlangin' size, bro. These are like Bigfoot schlom having people. Look at this, size 15. Oh my God. Bruh, what? Come on, man, someone wielding the hammer. If you guys want these, thriftheavenvintage.com. They're gonna be listed on there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. But these overall are in such a clean color scheme. They got the yellow, the infrared, light gray, black, and then this is, I think, just yellowed white. Yeah. But it actually looks pretty good with the yellowed, like, interior air bubble. So, yeah, dude, let's go. Oh, hell no. Bro, check this out, too. Look at that collegiate heat. Bro, they have the Jordan 4 Floridas, bruh. What in the hell? These are 100% suede. They got a little nick right there. They're 28 bucks. Dude, these things are ill, bruh. They seem to be cleaned up a tad bit. I personally would rock these as is. I ain't even tripping. They're size 8.5, 28 bucks. Bro, you know what's crazier though? Is the inside of these. If you look at the tag, it says a sales sample. Oh my dick. So y'all let me know, did I just strike gold in the thrift? These were limited to 140 pairs and were player exclusives. These are going for 10,000 brand new on StockX. Obviously these are well worn, but this is one of 140, bro. It says Florida and then it has the number 2 on it, and then it says football right there. Dang, this fool must have been like 5'6". Damn. But yeah, I guess this is number 2 of 140. There's no way, dude. This is crazy. Hey, if these are fraudulent, you guys can call me out.
So are these a Grail or a fail?
I don't know.
Y'all let me know.
Damn. Oh man, guys, there's absolutely nothing better than hats that spit facts. The older I get, the better I used to be. Dang, ma, tooting that thing up.
Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll.
She letting off a stink bomb in homie's face.
Live fast, eat ass.
Okay, this vintage trucker hat is so dope. I definitely have to get it. Oh my God, what keeps your pants up? Bro, belt.
Belt.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you guys this. If I were to get spanked in my adult phase of life, I would definitely choose this belt to be the one. The thread count is crazy. Corporal, punish me now, daddy. We'll get kinky in the bedroom, I don't even care. This thing is just too clean to not have just smacking my backside. Oh my God, look at this little lime dream come true. Dude, $24, they are taxing on this Nautica competition puffer. But guess what, guys? I got half off in here today. Let's run it up. All right, guys, we're out of there. Look at this giant bag, bro. You could put deceased body parts and fragments up in these quality thrift bags. Anyways, man, I got a whole lot of stuff in there. I'm very excited about the Floridian shoes. Now, if those Jordan 4s are fake, feel free to roast me or correct me. But before y'all roast me, let me roast myself, or at least say some things that I've researched. Number one, these little wings look a little bit skinny. They have very sharp edges, so y'all take a glance at those. Also, the paint droplets don't have too much texture, although they do have some. And the number 2 is also kind of weird. It's like really far down on the pecking order. But then again, how many collegiate football players are Lord Farquaad in stature wearing size 8.5? No offense, guys, no offense. Size 12 gang, big cock. But yeah, and then I guess I'll put what a price on a used pair will be.
Wait a minute.
But I know the brand new pair was going for 10K. That is absolutely absurd, bro. Like, how are you gonna spend a portion of a car or house on shoes? Hey, I'm not here to judge though, daddy. I'm just here to find the fire, and I'm doing so. Let's go to the next thrift store.
Making my way downtown, working fast, faces past and I'm homebound.
All right, guys, so we're live in the next spot, which is the Family Thrift Outlet, The Plug on Hillcroft Street, and my battery somehow is on 14%, so I'm gonna make these clips snappy in here and try and incorporate as much fire in the video as I can before my camera dies. You have that Cincinnati Bengals, number 28. That boy, Dylan. Oh my goodness, yo, look at this, my favorite forest dweller, just giving that boy a big old hug out of depression. I've never seen Eeyore with a smile until now. Okay, these windbreakers are looking something fierce. Let's cross our fingers and hope for the best. All right, you got the Ocean Pacific looking like a pair of Vans on the inside, and then nothing. Dude, I'm wasting battery percentage on this? You joking me?
Tripping.
Oh man, you guys know I cannot condone this. It says, just do it in the park.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Nike, what y'all doing? Y'all trying to have people on the National Registry? Bro, just do it in the park? Yeah. Are you joking me? These people want someone to catch a case. I'm not gonna be on the database or in the National Registry. No, thank you, man. We doing it at the comfort of my own home. You feel me? All right, y'all. We're sitting horribly at 3%. Contact? Bro, I would let this dude probe me any day. Circa 93, dude is throwing up The Rock. What? And then you got the rest in peace Kobe and GGT. Man, the New England Patriots, vintage all stitched. And then my favorite thing about vintage is when they take a perfectly good Seattle Mariners all embroidered majestic baseball jersey and throw in their company BS on the back. Tripping. Dude, we're just gonna ride out. If the battery dies, I'm resorting to the phone. You have the Flintstones Dallas Cowboys 1994 collab. Look at Dino with them ball skills. Pause. You also have that Toucan single stitch in this biatch. Screen stars on the pink frame. That is absolutely delectable. Guys, I promise y'all this, man. We have been striking gold at non-stop today. Look at this, Nike, vintage, aqua color scheme, Nike, medium size check, again with the orange mandarin infusion, white tag, vintage, gray tag, extra vintage. Y'all know what time it is. Checks over stripes. That's what I like, y'all. Okay, and then we also have a very cool hoodie right here. You got that Stussy, man, World Tribe with the purple, damn. And then some Grand Canyon and some vintage Champion merchandise. Low-key t-shirt pack. Y'all play the drums, man. Beat on them. Got that Florida State, Seminole fluid, you dig? 2 vintage tees, a NASCAR Daytona 500, and then the throwback single stitch jump rope for heart. I remember doing this to prevent adolescent heart attacks in school, and man, it was fun. Except, like in the competition, I kind of stepped on the rope, so I was out hella quick. It was disappointing, but that's life. Oh my gosh, we're wavering at 1%. And my lord, I'm so glad I saved enough battery for this one. Golden, glistening, San Francisco, satin, chalk line made in USA, vintage jacket. Whoa, check this FUBU piece out. Bootleg as hell, but so crispy, man. Yes. Today is just overflowing with awesomeness, straight up. Oh my gosh, guys, we have the ultimate grail. I'm so glad I preserved my battery for this. We're gonna sign off with the last find in the thrift being the Air Jordan Nike vintage Jumpman t-shirt, made in USA, size large. That is my size, my guys. This is an absolute grail. Bro, are you kidding me? Jeez. Oh my god. Look at this little animated awesomeness. You got Tweety, you got my boy Big Bullwinkle. Letting them antlers hang, bruh. Look at his little sprigs of hair. That's cute. That fool moves. And just like that, my camera died. Quiet down there, damn it, woman. If I hear you laugh one more time, if I hear you breathe when I'm trying to end this video, me and my subscribers will put our foot so far. Anyways, guys, yeah, my camera died. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I looked up those player exclusive Jordan 4 Floridas, and the cheapest used pair I saw was like $1,200. So that probably is more reasonable in terms of what those shoes are worth. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. They're size 8.5. If y'all want them, feel free to reach out or DM me. I will probably list them on my vintage website, which is thrift-vintage.com. And today we have a huge drop. Give me a day or two to get the sneakers up. But guys, if y'all want anything, follow the Instagram. It's the best way to stay posted. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching this. Live the dream, eat that ice cream, and until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.